Using Klarna on Deliveroo allows you to pay for food deliveries with flexible payment options. Here's how to do it. Download the Klarna app. Start by downloading the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account if you don't have one. Open Deliveroo. Access the Deliveroo app or website and log into your account. If you're a new user, create a Deliveroo account. Select your food order. Browse your favorite restaurants, choose your meals and add them to your cart as usual. Proceed to checkout. Once your order is ready, head to the checkout page to review your selections. Generate a one-time card on Klarna. Open the Klarna app and go to the one-time card section. Klarna will generate a virtual card with a temporary balance to cover your Deliveroo order. Enter the amount you need for the order. Pay with the Klarna card on Deliveroo. On the Deliveroo payment page, select Add a card and enter the details from your Klarna one-time card. Complete the transaction. Choose a Klarna payment plan. After the purchase, Klarna will ask you to choose a payment plan, such as Pay Later or Pay in 4.